Hi guys, welcome to Ningbo Marshine. I'm Nora. Now I will show this product, cable ground roller. The cable roller can be installed on the different cable. The frame is made of steel or aluminum, and the roller is made of nylon or aluminum alloy. Such as this, it's made of aluminum, and the surface is covered with paint or galvanized. The product is often applicable to the protection of crossover tube during the cable through construction. Used to lay the cable on the ground or cable bridge with chrome steel ball bearing, so it can bear high load. And it also has self-lubricating and low noise. And it can work at sub-zero temperature with stable performance and durability. The related load is 5 kN and the wheel diameter. Here, the wheel diameter is 200 millimeters. We also have customized services, so please feel free to consult on our website.